Before today's video starts, just a quick reminder, the subscriber meetup is happening on the 28th of this month. That is Saturday at 10:30 under the State Highway 1 bridge in the Sewyln River. So come along, we're going to have about half an hour to meet and hang out, and then for those of you who are interested and keen to tag along, we're going to be going for a drive down the river to the beach. So hope to see you there. Anyway, let's get into today's video. G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. This afternoon we decided we'd just shoot down the Sewyln. Probably about a month ago you saw we were down here and the river had flooded, and unlike usual the water's actually hung around for quite a bit, so we figured we'd go explore. The river's still quite high, so it's going to be interesting to see how we go. Obviously we've got Lando like usual, and then we've got Dad in his blue truck, the Heap, and as per usual we got Matt riding with me, so we'll be just going for a bit of cruise. It's probably mid-afternoon already, so we'll go see what we can find, and yeah, just have a bit of fun for the rest of the afternoon. Let's get into it.
Hello sir, is this a good time for an interview? What are your thoughts on the current American presidency?
I don't know.
How about the climate situation? What about your own situation?
I am in a situation.
This feels familiar.
Winch has died. The mighty Runver strikes again. Picked now is a good time to decide to not work, so hopefully Dad's super cheap jobbing will do a better job and pull me out backwards. Well, that was quite sloppy. It would appear that some people on much bigger tyres than me have been through recently, because yeah, there's no way I was making it through there. Poor truck's covered. So yeah, and the windscreen is also kind of muddy, so might have to go find ourselves a river to wash off in. Good thing there's one right there. Anyway, that was a bit of fun. We'll go find something else.
Righto guys, so we were just cruising along, minding our own business, when this gentleman came and flagged us down, who appears to have gotten himself into a spot of bother with his surf. So being the charitable gentleman that Tim is, he's going to try and recover him.
It would appear Dad has given up. Doesn't mean I can't try though.
Well, perhaps not then.
Right guys, well we're just running out of time and the next ford's quite a wee way up still, so we're just going to start heading back downstream, find a ford to duck out it and yeah, call it a day. It's been fun. Alright guys, well we've aired up the tyres, back to road pressure. It's a good way to spend the last half of the afternoon, and yeah, good to see there's some water in the Sewyln because it's been a while, so good fun for sure. Anyway, I got to go home and wash the truck because I'm off to see the cert man tomorrow, and it'd be a bit rude to take it around to him looking like this. Don't think he'd like that too much. So we'll shoot home, do that, and edit this for you as well, because this is going out the day after this was filmed, so it's all happening. Anyway, make sure to come along to the subscriber meetup on the 28th. It's going to be a fun day out, and that's pretty much it for this video. Give us a like if you enjoyed it. Let us know down in the comments what you thought, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers for watching. We'll see you then. So, definitely... Unbelievable! Nice.